Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to rotate a video on the 123apps.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, go to the video tools section, then tap on rotate video, click on open file and select a video from your files, tap on upload and then click on this rotate button once it is loaded in. Here, down below you can find this left and right buttons, meaning that if you want to rotate it to the left, tap on the left button. If you want to rotate it to the right side, click on the right button. If you are done, click on the save button in the left side corner down below, or in the right side corner down below. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.